Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you step by step in setting up Ping Identity FIDO policies with Digipass FX7. You'll learn how to set up FIDO authentication and modify the default multi-factor authentication policy. Start by logging in to the Ping Identity portal. Expand the authentication menu on the left-hand side and select FIDO. Select Passkeys and click. In the Passkeys pop-up window, click the pencil to edit the entry. Select Label. Enter a device display name like OneSpan FX7. Select the drop-down for attestation requirements and select Allow specific authenticators. In the search box, type OneSpan. Check the box for OneSpan Digipass FX7. Click Save. In the authentication menu, select Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA. Select Default MFA Policy and click on the pencil in the new window to edit the entry. Uncheck all allowed authentication methods except for FIDO2. Click Save. Expand the authentication menu. Select Authentication. Click to expand Multi-Factor. Click the pencil icon to edit the policy. Under the title of the policy, Multi-Factor, click Make Default. You will be asked if you want to make MFA the default policy. Click Save. Under Section 2, Multi-Factor Authentication, go to the MFA Policy drop-down menu. Select Default MFA Policy. Click Save. That's it. You have successfully updated the sign-on policy in Ping Identity and enabled log-on with Digipass FX7.